Hello, dear listener. Welcome to English Podcast Every Day, your gentle space to slow down, to breathe, and to reconnect with what truly matters. Today's message is a quiet invitation, finding your purpose and living a life you love. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. You don't need to rush. You don't need to have all the answers. Let's begin softly. For a long time, I believed that purpose was something big, something far away, something I had to chase, something I had to prove. I thought purpose meant success, achievement, recognition. But the more I searched for it, the more lost I felt. Have you ever felt that way? Like everyone else seems to know where they're going, and you're just standing still, wondering what your life is really about. One day, I stopped asking, "What is my purpose?" And I started asking, "What feels true to me right now?" And something changed. Purpose didn't come as a loud answer. It came quietly, in the way I listened to someone without trying to fix them, in the way I made time for things that brought me peace, in the way I chose kindness instead of control. I began to understand purpose is not a destination, it is a way of living. It is not something you find once and keep forever. It grows with you. It changes as you change. Sometimes your purpose is simply to heal, to rest, to learn how to love yourself again. Other times, your purpose is to give your time, your presence, your light. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need a clear path. You only need to take one small step toward what feels meaningful. A life you love is not built in one day. It is created in small, quiet moments. Choosing peace over pressure, choosing truth over fear, choosing yourself again and again. Many people live a life that looks successful, but feels empty inside, because they followed someone else's path. But your life was never meant to be a copy. You are here to experience your own journey, at your own pace, in your own way. And maybe your purpose is not something you need to find. Maybe it is something you allow. Allow yourself to feel. Allow yourself to change. Allow yourself to begin again. There is no too late. There is no too behind. There is only this moment and what you choose to do with it. Even the smallest step can bring you closer to a life that feels like home.